What's up, YouTube? It's your boy back with another video. Today I'm actually just going to the clubhouse at 209. Well, they just sold the house, so we're gonna go find another one, preferably a one that's not much of a fixer-upper, and then go from there. But for right now, it's about a 30-minute drive. But we go take out the stuff we already put in, like the cameras, the tables, stuff like that. We're gonna go ahead and take that out, and whoever else bought the house or fixed up the roof, so you guys can just kind of sit back and chill with me while I ride. My bike is not in the best shape right now, so I'm not gonna, ride how I usually ride to get there. I really think I need to get that starter. I mean, I know I need one because that's what the mechanic said, but I definitely need to get one because my bike kept dying on me this morning. Or like, oh crap, I hate those bumps. But my bike kept dying on me whenever I was trying to leave my parking garage today. And it just hasn't been riding right since I got it back. So hopefully the front tire change will obviously make it feel a little better to ride. The carbs, hopefully that makes the bike actually run better, because it just, I don't know, it just sounds a little weird. And then hopefully my starter, getting that changed will, help with the it dying. So like I said, I'm just gonna ride calmly, ride chill, and just hope I make it there and back. I actually need this bike to last me, I need to get to work. This lasts me for like till next week. I mean, well, 2 weeks. I wait for my next paycheck, but I mean, just get me to point A to point B, and then I'll get you fixed up. Guard Dog and Demon is supposed to meet me there. I'm assuming Demon is driving the truck. Guard Dog's bike is down again. His is in the shop. I think his is clutch related. My bike isn't acting right. Alright, I'm gonna actually get off here. Something's weird right now. Shit. This is where I got a screw last time I had to pull over here. I honestly, God, hope it's just all those bumps I was hitting. It maybe bounced the thing off the battery. No, it's still on there. It's solid. That's solid. "18 minutes away." I think I got gas. Fuck. Okay, so I got it started back up. I think it's something with my carbs still. I just got off the phone with the mechanic. I'm 18 or 16 minutes from my destination. Fuck. I hope I make it. But they say I was gonna just take it home, but they said I should just drive it there because the mechanic is there. I should get a little gas though. Alright, I'm still not acting right. Get gas, go to the mechanic. Kind of nervous. Cool, we're just gonna put it on the trailer.
So, hey, we're gonna take you home. And we're gonna put that on the trailer.
Okay.
But I'm gonna take it to the shop to look at it for tomorrow.
Okay. Yeah. That sucks.
But we still need the camera down.
I got you.
So you can just sit it there if you want to for now.
Alright. See you guys later. Alright, I'm gonna have to leave here without my bike. It's gonna be put on the trailer, taken back to the shop. I'm not gonna be able to obviously pay for this until after we move, but fucking sucks. So bye, Mystic. Until next time, buddy.